Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to set up call forwarding on your Redmi Note 14. So I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps should apply for the other Redmi Note 14 phones. So open the phone's application on your device, and then tap on the three dots at the top right corner, and then select settings. And then within the settings, scroll down and select calling accounts, tap on that. And then select call forwarding settings, and then choose the line, or rather choose the SIM that you'd like to enable call forwarding for, or to set up call forwarding. So select it and then give it a few seconds for the card to read the settings. And then from here you should see a list of all available options. If you want to forward calls always, you can select that. If you want to forward calls when busy, when unanswered, and when unreachable. So if you'd like to set up a call forwarding, choose the option that you'd prefer. So let's say, for instance, if I select when unanswered, select that, and then you'll be prompted to type in a number that will be used to forward calls to whenever you don't answer your phone. So type in the number that you'd like, and then once you type it in, all you have to do is simply tap on turn on and allow the settings to be updated on your Redmi Note 14. Now, once you have updated the settings, you should see now whenever your phone is unanswered, it will be forwarded to that particular number. So you can do the same for other options. If you want to enable always forward, type in the number that you'd like and select turn on, and that will enable call forwarding on your Redmi Note 14. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.